Instant Pot mac and cheese. Who doesn't love mac and cheese? We're taking today's recipe from the step-by-step Instant Pot cookbook. This cookbook has some amazing recipes. If you don't have it, you can get it. I'll put a link down in the description. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our Instant Pot. We're putting in 1 pound of elbow macaroni, 4 cups of garlic broth, and we made this ourselves with Better Than Bouillon garlic base. And we're going to stir this up a little bit. Then we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of butter. This is how we're going to start this. We'll add the rest at the end. We're going to cook this for 6 minutes in the pressure cook and do an instant release. So 3 ingredients in, and we're going to pressure cook for 6 minutes, and we'll be back for the rest. All right, so this has been cooking 6 minutes. It says use the instant release, so we're going to use the instant release. Be careful, you don't want this hitting you in the face. It's going to take a minute or two. For all you Jeopardy fans out there. All right, we know we're good when this little thingamabob drops there. So we're good to take this lid off. Wow, boiling and runny. We're going to give this a good stir. Mix it up. The recipe says it could be a little bit runny, which it is. That's no problem whatsoever, because we're going to break this up. All the liquid's going to mix in. Careful not to burn yourself here. This is hot. All right, now take a look at that. All the liquid that looked like it was in there is all mixed in now, so we're good. Now, we're going to follow this recipe like I said here. So we're going to put 4 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese in here. We're just going to stir this around a little bit. We're going to put 2 to 4 ounces of cream cheese chunked up. We're going to put in a whole box of boursin spread. We're using the garlic, and you want to chunk this up also. About a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to use about a tablespoon of Frank's Red Hot. And last but not least, we're going to put a 1/4 cup of chipped Parmesan cheese in here. And we are going to mix this up till everything is melted real nice. Oh yeah, that's looking good right there. This is my favorite kind of mac and cheese right here, where it's nice. And this isn't all the way mixed up yet, but look at how nice and gooey that is. Oh yeah. I think we're about ready to serve. Now that this is mixed in, if you like a little more cheese, you could add a little more cheese. If you want it creamier, I don't know how much creamier this will get, but you could add some heavy cream. I think we're gonna try it just the way it is. Look at that. That is some nice creamy looking mac and cheese. Let's get this into a bowl and give it a fair taste. All right, now we got a bowl of this. There's really only one thing left to do, and that's give this a fair shake. So let's try this out. All right, here we go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That actually is amazing. Now, to be fair, I'm a comfort mac and cheese person. I like my mac and cheese, just my mac and cheese, but this with the garlicky flavor and the buttery and the creamy, I'll tell you what, hats off to the step-by-step Instant Pot cookbook. If you don't have it, you gotta get it. Again, I'll put a link to everything I used today down in the description. Check it out, but there is a ton of good recipes in this cookbook. Go get it. Click the link and get the book. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.